Do you want to know how you can change the appearance or theme on your Wise account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your appearance or theme on your Wise account. So let's go ahead and start the video. What you need to do first of all is open any type of browser. Then you must go to wise.com and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you will see this type of interface. In order for you to change your appearance, you must click on your profile, which is over here, and click on Settings. Then you can see Appearance, which is over here. Currently, it is selected Light. In order for you to make it dark, just click on this drop-down menu, and you can see that there are two options, Light and Dark. If you click on Dark, instantly your appearance or theme will be changed. So, the warning sign has been given here. Dark mode isn't better right now, so we can test it. You may notice some inconsistent colors, but we're already on it. So if you want to keep it to light, you can just click on it and you can see that it immediately turns your theme or appearance to light mode. So it's quite easy to change your appearance. I hope this video about how you can change your appearance or your theme on your Wise account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.